10 lines on Sandgrouse bird. Sandgrouse are the only members of pteroglyphomes. It has compact body but small pigeon-like head and neck. There are total 16 species of sandgrouse in the world. Males and females look alike except the males are slightly larger. It is often seen in large feeding flocks. It is a bird of desert and dry scrub. It feeds on insects such as caterpillars, ants, cockroaches, and worms. It carries water in its belly feathers. The eggs hatch after about 20 to 25 days. Both parents share the task of incubating eggs. Thanks for watching.